Welcome to all of you. News is coming from Israel. Yes, Israel will not oppose possible sale of F-35, American F-35 to EU. Yes, all of you know that Israel wants to have military edge in that region. Yes, and obviously Israel have many enemies in their region. Nowadays, enemies are decreasing, but who was friend of Israel? Turkey. Now Turkey is becoming enemy of Israel. Now peace deal between Israel and Turkey has happened already. All of you know, and UAE wanted that. Yes, UAE wanted that America should sell its F-35 to UAE. American also wanted to sell that. Why? Because America will get money, and also Iran is not the interest of America. Iran is not a good friend of America. So UAE is having threat from two countries. Nowadays, UAE is having threat from two countries. One is from Iran and other is from Turkey. Iran, whatever Iran is saying, means Iran is acting against of interest of UAE, Saudi Arabia, and whoever is friend of Saudi Arabia with them. And nowadays, Turkey is also becoming enemy of them. Yes, so geopolitical situation is changing. UAE should have greater defense power in order to compete this type of enemy like Iran and Turkey, which is, yes, Iran and Turkey have greater strength than UAE in military wise. I am not saying about economic wise. The peace deal between UAE and Israel was based upon that. Obviously, it was one of the greater concern for UAE that UAE should defend itself from Turkey, and not in only Turkey, from Iran. So after peace deal, UAE wanted to have F-35 fighter plane to its fleet. Yes, F-35 fighter plane to its fleet, and in order to have F-35 fighter plane to its fleet, UAE should have permissions of Israel. Yes, because without Israel permissions, American can't give F-35 to them. Why? Because Israel is great ally. Yes, Israel is biggest ally of America in that region, and obviously America is securing interest of Israel. And in Donald Trump time, American interest is growing high because Donald Trump is supporting Israel very much. So Israel defense minister went to America and they met Secretary of Defense in America, yes, USA, during election times. And from that, when Israel defense minister Benny Gantz, his name is there, so he returned to Israel. Israel prime minister said, yes, before that they also said that they have signed a treaty between America and Israel that America will keep military hedge of Israel in that region always. So need not worry, obviously. So due to that, Israel will not worry. Why? Because Israel have to counter Iran in that region, as well as nowadays Israel have to counter Turkey also, because Turkey is acting against of Israel interest. Now Israel said, until unless, Israel Prime Minister also tweeted, and many one has said like that, and Jerusalem Post also saying, until unless, I am saying that summary, until unless America, yes, USA is keeping military hedge of Israel in that region, Israel is not worried to sell military weapons to UAE. And now Jerusalem Post heading is there, Israel will sell F-35 to America, F-35 to UAE. Before that, it was greater concerns for Israel people, because controversy created in Israel that if America sell is F-35 to UAE, then UAE may get military advantage against of Israel. Why? Because no one know what happens in future. Nowadays they are becoming friend. No one know what happens in future. But now they allowed. That means maybe all of you should know that Israel is already having F-35. Yes. So maybe in that F-35, whatever America will sell to UAE, in that some weaponry may decreased. Yes. Some advanced system will decrease in order to maintain military heads of Israel in that region. So I am binding now, and whoever watching till now, I am thankful to them. If you like, please subscribe my channel. I am from India. Thank you. Jai Hind.